Are you wondering if Facebook ads are worth it? With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook ads can be a powerful tool. But the real question is, will it bring a return on investment? It depends on your business and marketing goals. Facebook ads can be highly targeted to reach specific audiences. This can result in increased brand awareness and website traffic. But the competition for ad space is high, which can drive up costs. Small businesses with smaller budgets may struggle to see a significant return. However, larger businesses with larger budgets can benefit from Facebook ads. Facebook also offers a variety of ad formats, including video and carousel ads. These formats allow for more creative and engaging ads. But it's important to track and measure the success of your ads. This will help you adjust and optimize your campaign for better performance. Ultimately, whether or not Facebook ads are worth it depends on your specific business and goals.